Hi there, students. Okay, this one's for Ronan. Bountiful, an adjective. Okay, bountiful. Bountifully, an adverb, and bountifulness, the noun of the quality. Okay, if something is bountiful, it's in abundance. There's lots of it. Yeah, it was produced in abundance, in a large amount. So we had a bountiful harvest this year, thanks to the all of the rain during the summer, an abundant supply, a plentiful supply. So very often a bountiful crop, a bountiful harvest, a bountiful supply. Okay, you can also use this word bountiful to talk about giving generously. So our bountiful benefactor has given us a lot of money. Life has been very bountiful to me. It's given me lots of wonderful things. Life has given bountifully to me. Nature has been very bountiful to this area. Yeah, the bountifulness of your gift is quite stunning. So bountiful, either abundant production, lots of, or very generous, giving generously. Okay, so this is the idea of bountiful, yeah, and more than ample amount, yeah, a very generous amount, a generous quantity. Okay, so the sea, the bounty of the sea, I guess, yeah, bounty comes from this as well. Bounty talks about generosity, or a gift given liberally, yeah, or a reward, yeah. So bountiful, there's lots of it. Okay, that I was looking for seashells, and eventually I came across an area that had a bountiful number of seashells. Okay, thank you for your bountifulness, for your generosity, yeah, for giving so much. There was a bountiful amount of food at the party, probably more than we could eat. Okay, so bountiful, generous, giving gifts or favors. Yeah, the king bountifully granted me half of the land of England. Yeah, and then bountiful, given abundantly, provided abundantly, there's loads of it. Okay, so a bountiful amount, a bountiful supply, yeah, there's a large quantity of something pleasant, yeah. I wish my pay were more bountiful, yeah, or a bountiful area, or a bountiful period of time. It provides large amounts of something, particularly food, yeah. It's generous, lavish, ample. There's loads of it. Okay, the land of this farmer is very bountiful. It produces lots and lots of things. It's generous, it's plentiful, it's prolific, it's abundant. Yeah. And yeah, he is a most bountiful host. He gave us all of the best things to eat. Generous, liberal, hospitable, open-handed, unstinting, bounteous, munificent. Okay, and that's the idea of bountiful. Bounteous. I think you probably have a word bounteous as well. Yeah, if something is bounteous, there's lots of it, and I think it has the same meaning. So bountiful, this sounds rather literary. I'd probably give it 6.5 in formality. I think this is probably a good vivid adjective to use in your exam writings. Use in something semi-formal or above. And then as to origin, well, it comes through French from Latin, from bonitas, which it comes from bonus, meaning good, honest, or kind, or good quality, excellence, kindness, benevolence. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Bounteous, bounteously, bounteousness.